Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about or elaborate the midweek update or the newest segment of my stock market updates or the updates of the weekly stock picks. Okay, let's proceed. So let's start first with Pure Gold. So I've arranged that already. Pure Gold, Jollibee Pure Gold, Ayala Corporation, Dito, Wilcon, and Euro. So let me share that one right here. All right. For the JFC, again, please bear in mind that the US market are quite down in the past few days because of the oil. As you all know, the markets of the oil, the price of the oil has gone down into around zero. Diba? So I will be posting a news from Business World. There we can see the update or what's the advantage of um, the oil. Or here let me share this one to you since you are watching this video already. Here. So this is where I get my news. So I get my news from these reliable sources, then also to the brokers that I have, registered. Then I simplified it for you to have lesser time to understand it, for you to have a nutshell of it, for you to have a better decision of it. Here, Philippines seen to benefit from slump in oil price. So we can see how this can affect Shell, Petron, Phoenix. Here, the Philippines are a net oil importer, would be a big beneficiary of the continuous slump in global oil prices, although lower prices and plunging demand would likely translate into lower tax collections for the government. Anyway, you can read that in this article. All right, going back to the main agenda of this one. Let me position that one right here. So we are on a sideways movement. So Jollibee broke down from its resistance, or sorry, from its support. Here, 1, 2, 3. This is from Friday. This is Monday. Tuesday, it already broke down from the support. Sorry, so this is the first support rather, and this is the second support, and this is the third support. So let me just correct that one later on. So what's the possible move? It can go down here, but the trend says that I think that the trend allows me to say that it will go down. But if it goes sideways, it can go at this point or go back to the resistance at this point. We will lower down the resistance right there because of this point. And there you go. So for today, Thursday and Friday, we can see a down or a sideways movement for the Jollibee. So there's already another opportunity for you to ride this one because maybe the 50-day moving average is quite strong, that it resisted the price from getting up. That's the technical factor for that one. While for the fundamental factor, again, the world news affects that one. All right, next we have Pure Gold. Pure Gold, I have a video here in the YouTube. You can see how I made fortune, not totally fortune, but I made 16% if I'm not mistaken. I bought it somewhere here in the deep, yeah. All right, here, Pure Gold. Pure Gold, we can see also a side movements right here. This is the price today. So from where it left last Monday, here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it just go on sideways, 1.64, 0, and 0 again. So it's literally moving on a sideways. So what's the possible scenario for that one? Still continue at this resistance line, or it can go down and retrace at this support level at around 44. Next, we have Ayala Corporation. Ayala Corporation was quite a rally for today. That is the only stock who pushed up compared to other top four. All right. Here again, same as what happened last Friday, it can test the 50-day moving average, go up at this resistance level at around 645, or the support line is strong right here. It was proven by today and for this point and this point as well. So it can go sideways or up to this resistance level. Sorry, the volume is being covered, but the volume is not that high. So we can see a more sideways movement of that one. Next, Dito. We still have three stocks. For the Dito, last Monday, it showed a quite potential of breaking out, and it broke out on Monday. That's why it has 11%. Consolidated on the next 2 days. Put that one there. Consolidated on the next 2 days. Then today, it's still battling the resistance line at this point. So we can see a sideways movement over here, or usually the consolidation takes, based on what I've seen in the few charts, minimum of 2 days. So maybe it can rally here, break out at this point, or it may continue to do sideways or down at this resistance level. Next, we have Wilcon. Wilcon, unfortunately, is not doing well today. It's on a reversal or a sideways movement. So it can go on the sideways here, upward at the support, resistance level here, or a strong support level at this point. The first support and the second support level. It's for you. Let me zoom that in. There you go. All right. Then last but certainly not the least, Euro. Euro is a stock or something that it's uncommon for everyone. So Euro right here has reversed or has shown signs of reversal, especially if you are analyzing or if you know about candlesticks. So this is a hammer, so it is showing a reversal sign. It can go sideways or potentially it can go down given the volume and the histogram of this chart. All right. So that's it. If you have any questions about this one, feel free to ask me. I'm just showing you the basics, typically support resistance levels, volume, MACD, then momentum, the factors, some factors in the local, some factors in the US. So that's it. If you have questions or if you want to request a stock for me to analyze, feel free to send it through messenger or just comment it down below. So again, by the way, please do subscribe on my YouTube page so we can have many people to follow and for them to appreciate stock market even more. As you can see here in the PSI, there's really a good opportunity for us to gain money because again, like what I've always telling my friends or my clients, this is opportunity for us to take advantage of because that's the highest point recently. So we're here today. You can gain up to like, what's this, 62? This is the highest point, 62%. Diba? 62% for a span of, let's say, we don't know eh. Pero that's the current high. Diba? So, sayang, I mean, you don't want to miss the opportunity. So, please do subscribe and if you have questions, please feel free to ask them. Thank you for watching.